Hey everybody, welcome back to the Cryptopolitan. I'm Satoshi Sean. Glad you're here. This is the weekend report. Um, Before we get started, I want to say thanks for everybody stopping by. Our subscribers are up to 60. Uh, that's pretty good, I think. I think we're growing like one or two a day. Not bad. Really appreciate it if you'd crush the like button. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notification. Share the videos, and if you can, just tell your friends about us. Send them on over. Really appreciate it. Let's get into things. We'll head over to the website, Cryptopolitan, where we have all your crypto and blockchain news laid out in easy to find sections, whether it's altcoin, Bitcoin, regulations, scams, whatever. Um, First thing is we're going to go over Binance Coin price analysis. Going to go over a couple price analysis. First is Binance Coin. Binance Coin's done really well, about 250% over the past 240. What is it? 240% over the past 3 months. That's pretty killer. It's down about 7%. It has some serious resistance at 24 bucks, 22.60, which it's at 22 something right now. So it is holding there. But if it does break above that $24, we're looking at like a $30 BNB. So definitely something to watch. Keep your eye on that. I got into it early and then I got out and I haven't messed with it for a long time. And I keep thinking, it's going up, it's too high. But I think I might ride this next wave. If it's going to hit, if we can get up to 30, that's sizable. Next, we're going to go over. Now I went over this list out last week, but I kind of wanted to go over it again. It's a new story. It's just kind of going over the earlier story a little bit more broader. There was a big survey done by De Beers, I believe. I'll read it in here. But anyway, they surveyed over 700 people, 700 millionaires in a bunch of different countries. And most all of them said they're either getting into crypto, but definitely will be in the next 2 or 3 years. Cryptocurrency is getting a lot of fame in different sectors. It's expected that the acceptance will be increased in the near future. Many people have shown interest in investing in this segment, and one of the surveys revealed that people who are earning over $1 million are going to invest in cryptocurrencies. The survey further reveals that investors are more likely to invest over the next few years. DeVere, CEOs explain that people are now acknowledging the future of money is cryptocurrency. And they've accepted this fact that crypto is more feasible to use than any currency. There's also a lot of gold versus Bitcoin, things out right now. The easier to store it, the size, the weight, the custody, all that kind of stuff. The survey pointed out that 68% of the 700 people that were surveyed who were millionaires said that they're going to be getting into crypto. So I think that's just awesome and amazing. Let's go over Litecoin, especially because we've been going over Litecoin quite a bit. I have, because I really like Litecoin, but it's looking like it's in a bearish trend right now. The crypto market experts like to throw all tall numbers out, which I've heard $1,000 on Litecoin by the end of 19, which I think it will get really high. I think Litecoin's going to do really well this year, but it is in a bearish trend right now. It's looking at like $79. I think it's down to 72 right now. So it's definitely can watch this dip, and I'm picking up some more. I think I just got like 8 or 9. There's a video on my Satoshi Sean channel. I just bought like 8 or 9. So check that out, and you can go over to the Cryptopolitan and look at altcoin, and there's also analysis of different prices of all these other coins. All right, now this I think is one of the most interesting stories. The SEC might breach the First Amendment in the United States by accepting a censorship proposal. Now this is a very big and kind of convoluted story. It has to do with a lot of people being deplatformed off of like Facebook and YouTube, Twitter, whether they're conservatives or they're labeled as hate speech. which is acceptable because they're private businesses. However, MasterCard is they put out a poll because they didn't want to stop a lot of like alt-right, far-right groups from being able to use their platform. So they wanted to put this poll out, but they put it out to their stockholders. Now, by doing that, that became a decision that the stockholders would make. Now, that brings the SEC into it. Now, the SEC is not a private business. It's a government agency. So if it allows this censorship of these groups off of their platforms for purely political reasons, that's a violation of the First Amendment. So this is definitely something to watch. And the SEC is looking at it because the SEC would be held responsible for anything pertaining to the First Amendment, curtailing the liberty of speech by allowing MasterCard to repress on the basis of just political opinions. So definitely something to watch. We will be watching this and get you more information on that because the deplatforming is it's getting crazy. They're kicking people off everywhere, left and right. I think they're getting ready for the election coming up, and they just want I get maybe as vanilla as possible. No real opinions or anything out there, which is just kind of ridiculous. And last, we'll go over Ripple. One of the big changes that they're making, they're adding the SBI president to the board of directors. Ripple blockchain payment platform is recently made an announcement regarding the latest addition to its board of directors. They are bringing over Yoshihide Katao. He will now be included in Ripple's board of directors. Katao is the president and the CEO of SBI Holdings, which is one of the leading financial giants in Japan. The news was revealed last week in addition to the fact that Katao will be replacing the CEO of SBI Ripple Asia on the board of directors. That is about it for this weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend report. If you have any comments, leave them down below. I will definitely get back with you. Enjoy interacting with you guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for those likes. Please crush that like button. Appreciate the subscriptions. You guys take care. Have a great weekend. And I hope everyone had a really good May the 4th. Happy Star Wars Day.